Well, congratulations to the new leadership at the Uganda Law Society. Now, in other news, United Nations General Assembly has recognized African Institute for Culture and Ecology, a local NGO, for its efforts on protection of rights of nature using indigenous knowledge. Now, a report released by the United Nations General Assembly on 28th of July 2022 recognizes Uganda as the first nation on the African continent to recognize the rights of nature at national legislation. The executive director at the institute, who also doubles as an expert in earth jurisprudence and a member of UN member States of Harmony with Nature Initiative, Dennis Tabaro, has termed the latest development as a milestone. These are the details.
Nature is seen as part and parcel of the human beings, and of course human beings are nature. And so our approach has been from down, from holding community dialogues, learning from the stories of origin, understanding their traditional laws and traditional governance systems of environment and nature. So that's why the United Nations has become interested in this kind of approach, which we call community ecological governance. The recognition is very important because it is recognizing our efforts as a group that has been promoting the indigenous ways of living, the indigenous laws that have helped in conserving biodiversity and conserving rights of nature. So when we are recognized, it means that the entire world is copying and learning from us, and then they are also learning from the communities, the indigenous communities we are working with, learning from their knowledge systems that have been used in conserving nature. And the recognition also emphasizes the idea that we cannot realize the rights of nature when we are not addressing the indigenous knowledge systems of our people. And so when this recognition comes up, then it gives us much hope, it gives us strength, and also it gives the communities confidence in their knowledge systems for conserving environment, conserving biodiversity, and conserving the rights of nature.